Hello everyone, welcome back to Work of Art. Happy to see you guys back. Today we'll be doing a video, kind of a continuation of my last video, and it's going to be about the editor's choice, editor's picks for Glamour magazine 2018. And so I'm going to go ahead and start and show you the products that I have out of the list. I have a lot of them actually. A lot of the products that are kind of old faithfuls, and some new ones that are brand new that we have are just getting to play with now. But the first thing I'm going to do is use my Garnier cleanser. This is the Garnier SkinActive Micellar cleansing water, and it's just a really light kind of cleanser. It's good for all kinds of different things. If you had basically just a little bit of makeup on or things like that, and you want to take your whole face off after, like, you worked out at the gym or something like that, that worked pretty well, you know. I actually would use this more for removing eye makeup before I do my double cleanse, because I don't really want to get a lot of soapy things in my eyes, but I do want to get my eye makeup emulsified and all that, so it's easier to get off my skin. So really quick and easy, and picks up a little bit of dust on the cotton bulb. Not too bad actually. It's pretty good. My skin's pretty clean. I just had a shower, so my hair's still damp and all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, so that's just kind of fresh, clean skin. Skin's kind of hydrated. It doesn't feel dry and tight. It just it leaves behind a really soft, smooth kind of surface. So going on to the next product I have this is a very famous one, Advanced Night Repair from Estée Lauder. And this one here basically does a couple different things. It does repair while you're sleeping, helps while we're resting, our bodies are going to a repair mode. And this is the original serum that Mrs. Lauder created. I think it's 30 years ago. I think it's something like that. It's been a long time, and it's just an amazing serum. They have updated things over the years. Every decade, maybe they change things around a little bit. They add some more things to the mix to make it even more effective. So there's peptide. There's at least one peptide in there, if I'm being correct right now. So that's the serum, and the serum just holds moisture in the skin, and again protects them from pollution, some pollution and things in the air. So this is a really great serum. I love this one so much. And then my second one for the moisturizer, the one that won the award for this year, was the Moisturizer Intense Moisturizer. And this one is just kind of a thicker, creamier version of it. So we had a lot of gel, like the pink gel versions of moisturizers, but this is the kind of lotiony one. Just use a little dab because I've got all kinds of things to put on. So good for eczema, psoriasis, good for just dry weather. If you've done too much with your skin and you just need to kind of like calm it down a little bit more. It has great barrier repair. It'll fill in the gaps where you have cracks in the skin and moisture doesn't seep out. It holds the water in, which is really a good thing. So that's that there. And then we'll go into the foundation. So the foundation that won for this one, there's two choices for each piece, but I just happen to have the drugstore one. So this is the Dewy+Smooth Fit Me. So we're going to go ahead and use this for the foundation. And I'm going to pour a little bit in my hand here. It's kind of a thicker one. That's a little too much actually. I just dab it on my skin. And literally I'm putting more back in the bottle because there's way too much. So let me just really quickly scoop that back up there. Don't really want to waste it. So I'm going to use the Beauty Blender here, and this is also a editor's pick. Every year it's going to be probably a pick because it's a famous product. It works really well. There are a lot of people who are trying to, or companies are trying to create their own, and some are pretty close. Like Real Techniques is a nice one, but you really can't beat the original Beauty Blender. This one is in the Dewy+Smooth version, this foundation. And this foundation is underneath the Maybelline brand, which is part of like L'Oreal Lancome company. So there's definitely science behind that, and there's also the power behind the product, which is good. You know, you're getting some good quality that way. So there's that with the foundation. So that looks pretty good. I do have a couple things to show that I don't really wear normally, but I have, and I just thought I would just kind of show a few things. So Bare Minerals is another foundation that has been been very, very famous. This one actually is called Pure Radiance, so I'm not going to actually use this one on my face because it's a little bit darker than my skin than I really want to go with. But this is one that I was going to kind of replace that for the original powder foundations that they have from Bare Minerals. So there you go with that. So as far as I'm just going to get a little bit of eyeshadow on, like very little actually. Just kind of do a really natural kind of look. So I have 3 of the Wet n Wild highlighter powder glow kind of thing. So this is the lightest color here. So this one here is Blossom Glow, kind of pretty and soft. And then Precious Petals is the first one I bought. And this is the Canopy, something, I forget the whole name, but I think I have a 4th one somewhere too, so I'm not sure where that one is. So I'm going to actually put on the highlighter kind of thing with my little short brush here. Just get some powder on there to kind of like just give it some glow from what I'm going to put on afterwards. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia pencil. It's supposed to, if I had the correct one, this is actually the original one. This is a really old one. But the Anastasia Brow Wiz is the one that was winning the award there. But I still have this one. Look at the color, still going strong. I just sharpened it. I haven't used it in a while. I have so many products that I just kind of forget to use them all. So there we go with that. I'll brush the brows up. I'm going to throw a little bit of color in my crease area with my Estée Lauder palette here, just to kind of get some more color in the crease area. So we'll just do a little bit of that real quick here. I'm going to use this little sandy kind of taupe color here. I'm heading off to work after this, so I'm just doing kind of a minimal kind of look right now. This is a long comb brush, natural bristles. It's an older one too. I save a lot of these brushes because they're just nice to have lots of them if you're doing a wedding and you need to have lots of tools to take with you. So look at that there. I'm taking a little brush and take that same brush actually, just a smaller application, and then brush on the inner corner here. And then we'll do a little bit of the highlight on the brow bone. So I'm going to go back and do, let's see here, this pale highlighter for the brow bone. So just really super, super natural today. That's all I'm really kind of messing around with right now. And then, let's see here. Do our butter bronzer. Actually, I'm a little bit tacky right now, so it's really, really I'm going to be really careful with this actually. I think what I might do actually is use the Beauty Blender and pick up some of the bronzer. It's doing a little bit, not a whole lot, so I'll go ahead and grab a Real Techniques brush. A little bit more color on the cheeks. A little bit more sculpted. This side of my nose, bottom of the nose, and then let's get some liner on. This is the Clinique pencil. This is a Intense Plum. So as far as the mascaras, the mascara that won the two mascaras in the Editor's Choice picks, and one is the Lash Blast from from CoverGirl. I did not like the one time that I tried that kind, and I'm not a fan of that at all. The other one would be Dior Show, and I was going to buy one just because, but I already have so many mascaras, and I have another my dupe basically for that one is the Estée Lauder Extreme Volume. Oops, I just got a little spot there. That's what happens when you play around with things and you're talking. There you go. I'll fix it a little smudgy part later on actually. So anyway, so the mascara is this is a really juicy, big, fat one. It really is nice for getting lots and lots of volume. And it reminds me of the brush from Dior show. It really does seem to go on very much like that one. So nice and full lashes. I'll do my lower as well. My lashes are completely blonde until I get mascara on there, so it makes a big difference in my look for the day. So let's see, what have I not showed you yet? I have not showed you yet. This is the #1 winning nail polish, OPI. Lots of different colors like that, but this is the one that won, and this is not the same color I have on actually. I have another color that's really close, but also OPI. So kind of nice to have that, just so you can see that there. And then the lip color actually. So Tom Ford has is newly in Nordstrom actually. If you like, come in and check out the store and check out the all the shadows. There's gorgeous shadows. The 4-pan quad for Tom Ford is $85. So beautiful colors, but not affordable for me anyway. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to actually let's do a highlighter too, since I feel like I need a bit more color. And this one has a little bit shimmer built into it, of course. So this is the one that I originally purchased, and it's warm and sunny and maybe a little too much. So let's just kind of tone that down. Clean brush and wipe off a little bit. So lipstick that I picked out, actually, I think it's pretty close to what I think it's like the Tom Ford colors. Tom Ford is also under the umbrella of Estée Lauder. So this is one that I purchased that I was terrified of, and it's beautiful. It's really a beautiful, intense lip color. So I'll go ahead and show you. Let's see how even that is. A little bit too much here. So there's that. So that's full on Glamour as far as the lips. So yeah, so kind of fun, just nice products to play with, and it's just a great way to try out new stuff by kind of playing around with things you've seen in stores, and definitely come and check out Tom Ford if you want to come check out our beautiful counter in Nordstrom Chandler. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.